the world would come to know him as one of the greatest minds in history. But Nikola Tesla's story began far from laboratories and great cities, in the quiet village of Smiljan, in the region of Lika, then part of the Austro-Hungarian Empire. He was born into a respected Serbian family. His father, Milutin, a priest of the Serbian Orthodox Church, embodied discipline, education, and spiritual devotion. His mother, Georgina, known as Juka, had no formal schooling, yet possessed remarkable intelligence, skill, and creativity. Tesla would later say that it was from her that he inherited his gift for invention. Baptized in the Church of the Holy Apostles Peter and Paul, where his father served, Nikola grew up in a household shaped by faith, tradition, and strong moral values. He had an older brother, Dane, whose tragic death in childhood left a deep and lasting mark on the family, and three sisters, Milka, Angelina, and Maritza. Talent and intellectual curiosity ran through generations of the Tesla family, nurtured alongside a profound sense of spiritual integrity. Tesla's childhood unfolded in nature, among fields, animals, and the rhythms of rural life. One memory would remain with him forever. As a boy, he stroked the back of his cat one evening and watched tiny sparks of electricity flicker through its fur in the darkness. The moment seemed magical. Years later, Tesla would describe it as one of his first encounters with the hidden forces of nature, a mystery he would spend his life trying to understand. Even then, he experimented, imagined, and built small devices, searching for ways to place nature's power in the service of humanity. After completing his early schooling in Smiljan, the family moved to Gospić, where Tesla quickly distinguished himself through extraordinary talent in mathematics and science. His education continued in Karlovac, at one of the most respected schools of the time. There, teachers recognized something unusual, a student capable of visualizing complex machines entirely within his mind. Following graduation, Tesla traveled to Graz to study electrical engineering. It was there that an idea began to form, a revolutionary concept that would later reshape the modern world: the alternating current motor. Yet his student years were marked by struggle as well as brilliance. Personal difficulties led him to abandon his studies. After a brief period in Prague, he moved to Budapest, working in a telephone exchange. One afternoon, while walking through a park and reciting Goethe's Faust to his friend Antal Szigeti, inspiration struck. In a sudden flash of insight, Tesla envisioned the rotating magnetic field, the principle behind the induction motor. The solution appeared fully formed, clear and complete, as if revealed rather than invented. Soon afterward, he moved to Paris to work for Edison's Continental Company, where theory met industrial reality. There, he encountered the growing electrical age, machines, power systems, and the demands of modern industry. Experience gained in Strasbourg prepared him for the decision that would change everything. In 1884, Tesla crossed the Atlantic and arrived in the United States, carrying little more than sketches, knowledge, and belief in his ideas. He began working for Thomas Edison in Newark, a moment that would mark a turning point not only in his life, but in technological history. What followed was an era of extraordinary discovery: the induction motor, alternating current systems, high-frequency electricity, wireless transmission, and remote control using radio waves. Tesla's alternating current system soon became the foundation of modern electrical power distribution, igniting the historic conflict known as the War of Currents. Its decisive moment came in 1893, when the world's Columbian Exposition in Chicago was illuminated by alternating current. Thousands of lights transformed night into day, proving to the world the efficiency and future of Tesla's vision. But Tesla was more than an inventor. He was a visionary. He imagined a global world system, a network capable of transmitting news, music, and even energy wirelessly across the planet, connecting humanity itself. His experiments with high voltages and wireless technologies inspired awe, controversy, and speculation. In 1892, Tesla briefly returned to Europe. During a journey through London, Paris, Zagreb, Budapest, and Belgrade, he spent only 32 hours in the Serbian capital, his only visit there. He met King Alexander Obrenović and delivered a lecture that left a lasting impression on students and scholars. While in Paris, he received devastating news. His mother was dying. He hurried home to Gospić, arriving just before her death in April 1892, a loss that deeply affected him. At the dawn of the 20th century, Tesla became one of the most famous figures in New York. Newspapers followed his every word. Society admired his elegance and charisma. Scientists regarded him as a mind pushing the limits of human knowledge. His fame became global, and his eccentricity fascinated both serious journals and popular press. On his 75th birthday, messages of admiration arrived from across the world. Albert Einstein, Nobel laureates, artists and scientists honored him in a commemorative book of wishes. Tesla moved among the elite circles of New York society, known for impeccable style and refined manners, yet remained devoted above all to his work. As he grew older, his thoughts increasingly turned toward humanity itself. He believed education must develop not only practical skills, but moral character, creativity, and critical thought. Technology alone, he warned, could not save civilization without wisdom and enlightenment. When Tesla died, the commemoration of his life was broadcast by radio across New York. According to his wishes, he was laid to rest to the sound of a violin and the Serbian song Tamo Daleko. His legacy did not end there. His nephew, Sava Kosanović, donated Tesla's vast scientific estate to the state, and it was transferred to Belgrade, where the Nikola Tesla Museum was founded, preserving the life and work of a man who changed the world. Today, Tesla's archive is inscribed in UNESCO's Memory of the World Register. Nikola Tesla left behind more than inventions. He left ideas that transcend time. His optimism, discipline, and extraordinary concentration were rooted in an unshakable belief in science and in humanity's potential. For Tesla, science was not merely discovery, it was hope. And through that hope, he sought to illuminate the future.